In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record deposits with fees in QuickBooks Online. When you receive money from customers, payment processors and banks often take their fees out before the money hits your bank account. If you only record the net amount, your books can get confusing and your income and expenses won't be accurate. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to record the full deposit along with the fees in a clean, accurate way. Start by heading to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the top left, click the New button. From the options that appear, choose Bank Deposit. This is where you'll tell QuickBooks exactly what's going into your bank and how it breaks down. Next, at the top of the Bank Deposit screen, look for the drop-down labeled Deposit To. Here, choose the bank account where the money actually landed, like your checking account. Getting this right is important so the deposit will match what you see on your bank statement. Now move to the section called Select the Payments Included in this Deposit. This is where you'll pick the customer payments that make up this deposit. Check the boxes next to the invoices or sales receipts that were included in the deposit from your processor or bank. The total of these selected payments should match the gross amount before any fees were taken out. After you've selected those, scroll down to the section labeled Add Funds to this deposit. This is where you'll record the fees themselves so that everything ties out. On a new line in this section, go to the Received From column and type either the name of the vendor who charged the fee, like your payment processor or bank, or simply enter a description such as bank fees. In the Account column on that same line, choose the expense account you use for bank charges or processing fees. If you already have something like bank service charges or merchant fees, that's perfect to use. Then, in the Amount column, enter the fee as a negative number. For example, -$5. Entering it as a negative tells QuickBooks that this is reducing the total deposit. QuickBooks Online will now automatically subtract that fee from the total of the customer payments you selected earlier. The result is that the deposit total at the bottom of the screen should match the exact net amount that appears on your bank statement. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct and the numbers match your bank, click Save and Close. Your deposit is now recorded properly, with both the income and the related fees accurately reflected in your books.